Good morning, children. Today's date is 15th of January. And the year is 2021. And today's day is Friday. So in our phonics class, we are going to revise the sound ch. Okay, so here is the sound. You can see there are two sounds coming together. Individually, the sounds are k and h. Yes, k as in cat, cap, and h sound as in hat, hut, house. Yes, so these are two individual sounds, but when they come together, yes, they come together and they make a new sound, and the sound is ch, and also sometimes ch. Okay, so when they come together, they make a new sound, that is ch. And sometimes they also make the sound ch. So this is brother number 2 amongst the H brothers. We just revised the name of brother number 1. What was the name of brother number 1? Who did not like noise? His name was Shh. And this is brother number 2. And he loves making noise. So can we all make noise together? Yeah, because he loves noise. Ch, ch, ch. Can we do it together? Ch, ch, ch. Yes, and here I have few objects that have this sound. So let us see one by one. So this is a packet of potato chips. Now when I say the word chips, do you hear the sound ch in it? Ch, e, p, s, chips. Yes, in the word chips, the beginning sound is ch. Coming to the second one. This is a chopping board. See, you need a chopping board, a knife, and some vegetable. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm chopping. Okay, so when I cut it using the knife, that action is called chopping. Yes, the word is chop. Ch, o, p, chop. In the word chop, if you hear carefully, the sound of ch comes at the beginning of the word. Yes. Coming to the next one. No one likes eating this? Yes. This is a chili. Yeah. ये खाने को तीखा बना देता है. Chili. Now when I say the word chili, do you hear the sound ch in it? Chili. Ch, e, l, e. Chili. In this word ch, chili, the sound ch is coming at the beginning of the word. Let's take the next one. Now this is a matchbox. Yes, you use this to light up things. So this is a matchbox. Yes, and this is the matchstick. This is the matchbox, and these are the matchsticks. Okay. So the word is ma-a-ch. Just focus on the word match. Now when I say the word match, yeah, the beginning sound here is and the ending sound is ch. Yes, in the word match, the sound ch comes at the end of the word. Okay, and the full word is match, box. So here is the match box, and these are the match sticks. Yes, coming to the next one. Now these are some chairs. Yeah, in the word chair, where do you think the sound ch is coming? Is it coming at the beginning or at the end? Or is it even coming? Yes, listen to the word carefully. Ch, air, chair. In the word chair, the sound ch is coming at the beginning of the word. Okay. Now these are some chalks, some colorful chalks that I have. Yes, that you use for writing on the blackboard. So the word is ch-ok, chalk. Now in the word chalk, the sound ch is again coming at the beginning of the word. Yes, the ending sound is k, chalk. Now this is a wristwatch. Yes. Now can we read the word w-a-ch? T is silent, okay? W-a-ch, watch. Now in the word watch, the beginning sound is w and the ending sound is ch. So in the word watch, the sound ch is coming at the end of the word. Yes? So we just had a look at some objects here, yeah, which had ch sound in them. So we saw chips, chop, chili, matchbox, chair, chalk, and watch. Now amongst these, in the words chips, chop, chili, chair, and chalk, the sound ch is coming at the beginning of the word. And in the words match and watch, the ch sound is coming at the end of the word. So we just saw that the sound ch can be used at the beginning of the words. Yes, as in chips, chop, chili, chair, and chalk. And it can also be used at the end of the word. Yes, the ch sound can come at the end in words like match, watch, yes, punch, if you punch someone with your wrist, yeah, with your fist, if you punch someone, that's punch. In all these words, the ch sound is coming at the end of the word. Okay, so we revised today that the sound ch can come at the beginning of the words and also at the end of the words.